Hey everybody, today we got this BONGO III 2010 1.2 tons. Let's take a look at this car and show you everything here. No rust. There is a hit here. There is a bit of rust on the roof. Let's check out the doors one by one. Here's the first door. No rust in here. Broken a little bit. Let's check the other side. This one also has no rust. It's in a very good condition, just needs a little bit of cleaning from the inside and should be just fine. Let's check the engine. Alright, here we go. We open the engine room. I hope you can hear me. But everything looks fine here, sounds fine. No smoke or oil is going out of this hole here. Perfect engine, sounds and look perfect. Here we go, so we're inside the car right now. Let's take a look at it, show you everything here. Okay, let's start by putting the key on. Just a second. Okay, lights are on, as you can see. Let's start the engine. The engine started very easily. Let's try to accelerate, show you the RPMs movement. One more time. Can show you from here as well. Okay. When you press the barrel, it's a bit late for the RPMs to go up, but they go up very strongly, I think. Okay, let's check out the windows. Perfectly. Check out the other window. Also works perfectly. Let's check out here. Try the audio. Perfect. No channels around here. Okay, found one. Anyway, the audio works perfectly. Speakers are okay. They're in good condition. Let's try the AC. Here. Switch on the fan. See, the air is coming out. Wait until it gets cold. Okay, it's getting cold now, so AC is working perfectly. Cold air is coming out. Switch it off. Can control this one too here. Switch it off. Works just fine. Show you other things inside the car. Chair here. Gear also moves very smoothly. no problem at all.
Esta es BUSYMAN.KR, empresa comercializadora de automóviles usados. Vendemos autos a bajo precio y los enviamos al puerto donde lo desee. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Contáctanos por nuestro sitio web o por WhatsApp Messenger. Buen auto y buen precio. BUSYMAN.KR. El número de teléfono celular es +8210 7353 2398.
So this was the review end of this Kia BONGO III 2010 1.2 tons. The car is in a very good condition. Engine sounds very good, no problems at all. Just needs a little bit of cleaning from the inside, that's all. If you're interested in this car, please don't hesitate to contact us. You can reach us out at busyman.kr. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.
Si está interesado en este automóvil, contáctenos. El sitio web es BUSYMAN.KR. El número de teléfono es +8210 7353 2398. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Si subo otro video, te lo haré saber. Gracias.